Hey Red Hots, it's NoWickChilly, Chili Z, and I'm here to share with you a tester change. So currently, when you join on the website, you get a starter kit for $99 US. Yes, I have henna from Scentsy Convention, so I love it. I go to Disney and get it all the time. Anyway, so this is the party tester. This is what comes in your regular starter kit, and this is what most consultants use at home parties. Now this is what we call a mini tester, and so I'm going to do it this way, so maybe not quite so reflective, right? So the mini tester set is what a lot of people use for catalogs and basket parties. It's also the tester that comes in the host exclusive kit, the one where when you host a 200 or qualifying party, you can use your rewards towards purchasing a discounted starter kit. So that's what you get currently. You get both of these in the Scent and Warmer of the Month, and this is what a lot of consultants use both. Some only use the mini testers, and some only use the party testers. But as a consultant who uses both, I'm buying both of these during transition. So it's a little bit more money out of my pocket, and then I've got tons of testers lying around. So starting August 1st, the mid-size tester, so this is a different size, will replace both the party and the mini tester. So we'll just have one size tester. And the nice thing about this is surface area, it's a lot bigger. So if you look at the size, right, the comparison, they're not that much different in size, but the surface area is different. And that's important because there's more wax to smell. So it is a bigger, this is the new coffee scent called Breakfast Blend that comes out September 1st. Anyway, so this is a bigger size tester. This will come as this tester is replacing all of the testers. So starting August 1st, this tester will ship in all of the starter kits. And as you know, August is a transition month. So those people who join in August will get all of the spring, summer, and fall, winter, and they will get it in this size. You will also be able to buy a full set of the new mid-size tester, this tester going forward, at a discount because it is a transition month. Now, the mini testers are still available to purchase and will be 40% off. Let me make sure I get this right. The fall winter mini testers will be 40% off in August while supplies last. And starting September 1st, the party tester, not the mini tester, the party tester will no longer be available to purchase. So those people who join in August will get these mini testers regardless of which kit they get, the host exclusive kit or the full size kit. The difference between the kits will be the extra Scentsy product offered in those kits. Now, let's say you do this, and so now you're looking at this. You do not have to transition all at once, okay? That's the first thing I want to tell you. Start with where you are and work where you are. One recommendation might be just to do the transition set. So now the full set of these testers will be at $40 US dollars, but you can do a transition set for $22, which just is a little bit more than the mini set transitioner set, but less than what the party tester transition set. These are like hard to say. Anyway, so this one is available if you want to purchase the whole set, but I don't want you to feel like you have to purchase the whole set. You could do just a transition set, or you could slowly change out. Like when your party testers don't smell so good anymore, you can mix your mini and your party and whatever works. Now, one little tip that might be helpful, because the mini testers are going to be at such a discount, you may want to purchase up a couple of the classic mini testers and create little bag parties, either for new recruits that join your team. You can loan them these little bag parties, and that way they can start taking orders, or for yourself to have a little bag party. The mini testers in the classics will be around for a while, and so you can leverage those at such a discount. It might be something good to add to your collection. I know I'll add a few for some of the new consultants that join the team, because that's a really great way to get them off to a good start. So let me know if you have any questions, and I am super excited about our new set of testers. This is going to be great. The other thing is there's no edges, so it's kind of, it's nice and round and easy to read the scents. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for that, so I'm super excited. Until later, have a sensational day.